Hey, it's Melissa. Welcome to my $100,000 stock experiment 2023 review and watch list. Week 35 ending September 2nd, 2023. The Melissa method is my attempt to implement the Can Slim trading methodology developed by William O'Neill. I'm trading in my own retirement account and I don't have any tax implications. It's my video diary sharing my stock journey. Help me celebrate my successes and learn from my mistakes. But this is not an endorsement to purchase any stocks that I bought or to buy stocks in general. Here's a quick review to see how I'm doing and to take a look at my watch list. How do you think I'm doing? If you haven't watched my weekly update, here's my year-to-date performance. The S&P 500 was up 2.5% for the week, and year-to-date it's up 17.6%. The NASDAQ was up 3.2% for the week, and year-to-date it's up 34.1%. And the Melissa method was up 3.1% for the week, and year-to-date it's up 31.7%. And I am currently 63% invested in stocks. So year-to-date, the $100,000 for the NASDAQ has grown to $134,064. The Melissa method has grown to $131,652, and the S&P 500 has grown to $117,613. So my goals for 2023 were to double my money in 1 year, and I put that in red because I don't seem to be on track to be doing that. I'm still happy with my return, but I am doubtful that I will double my money this year. I also wanted to become a better growth stock investor with more winning trades, keeping my losses smaller than my last experiment, making sure it's measurable, beating the S&P 500, which I'm doing, but not NASDAQ. And I've been doing pretty good keeping my weekly videos under 10 minutes. My basic rules that I follow and the ones that I've been having trouble following are as follows. I like to follow the market trend and only buy when the indicators show the market is in or starting an uptrend. I also have been pyramiding into my stocks, letting them prove themselves before I buy more, with a B1 of $10,000, a B2 of $6,000, and a B3 of $4,000. And that pyramiding in doesn't seem to work for TQQQ for me, so I'm not doing that there now. I also like to set a floor every time I buy a stock with a maximum 8%. Ideal is a 5% loss, but I haven't been setting my floors lately. And my husband's going through some health issues and I have no control over that. So I wanted to take a little control back in my life with my stocks. If I want to sell, I have to go in and put in that order. But I am thinking where I want that floor to be. And I also evaluate and raise my floor each week, which I'm still doing. I'm having a hard time though taking my profits at 20 or 25%. Not sure that I like that rule. It might not be for me, as well as that trying to hold for 8 weeks and then selling. That's something that Lee Tanner does well, but I don't seem to like to do that. So I put together a watch list this week that I'm going to share, and I really want to improve where I'm buying and where I'm selling. And I'm going to try to use that red, white, and blue Dr. Wish charting method, and also look at my simple moving averages. So I came up with 4 stocks on my watch list this week, and as you'll see, I don't really want to buy all of them. So I have Meta, ALSN Transmission, GRVY, and OPRA. ALSN Transmissions Holding, stock symbol ALSN. When I took a closer look at this stock, with my simple moving averages, I use my 8-day, 16-day simple moving averages, 31 exponential moving average, and my 50-day simple moving average. I could see that this was well extended above my 8-day simple moving average. And on the red, white, and blue chart, it is also extended. This is a 6-month chart, and from the beginning price at 6 months ago to where it was on Friday, it has gone up 28% in those 6 months. Meta Platforms, stock symbol META. On Meta, you can see My 4 indexes are crossing, so that is promising. And on the red, white, blue chart, it looks like this is a perfect buy point. This stock in the last 6 months went up 85%, so a little bit more than ALSN Transmissions. Gravity Company, stock symbol GRVY. The moving averages that I'm following have just started to point up, and it's very near to its 50-day simple moving average. Looking at the 6-month red, white, and blue chart, it looks like Gravity might be hard for me to hold long term. It was up as much as 50% in the 6 months, but had several up and down periods. But what I really want to do is hold for a gain like in the green, where it went up 27% in 7 weeks. And that wasn't from the highest high to the lowest low, but I picked a point on June 7th at 58.92, and then it went up to 74.70 as of July 26th. That's a pretty good gain. I held Gravity in the past in 2017, and I had 100% gain in 36 days. You can see that where that aqua colored arrow is over on the left-hand side. This is a chart that goes back from 2017 to current. But look at that orange arrow. Even part of this gain would have been life-changing. At the low, the 50-day simple moving average before that run was right around 28.50, and it went as high as 220. OPRA ADR, not sure what the ADR stands for. Stock symbol OPRA. I found this stock on my tandem-like screen, and I really like this increasing volume that I have in the green box on the right-hand side down at the bottom. On the left-hand side, you can see the earnings per share has also been going up. It has triple-digit gains for the last 3 quarters, and it also has double-digit sales growth. This is a daily chart for OPRA. You can see the volumes going up, but it's not as profound as when you look at the weekly chart. And I drew this green line on the chart. That's about where I'd like to be buying this stock, and I want to look for an up day on above average volume. On my simple moving average chart, I can see that the 8-day simple moving average is starting to point up, as is the 200-day simple moving average is going up. On the red, white, and blue chart, the red is below the blue, which means it's not the best buy point. You need to wait till that red crosses above the blue. So my minimum buy point on this looks like it's 15.88. What do you think of the 4 stocks on my watch list? Meta, ALSN Transmission, Gravity, and OPRA. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for my next episode, or better yet, subscribe to my channel, The Melissa Method. Don't forget to hit the bell if you want an alert when I post a new episode.